What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best portable carpet cleaners for pets available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and remember to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. Bissell Little Green Pet Portable Carpet Cleaner. When looking for the best portable carpet cleaners, one of the key factors to consider is its size, since it's essential to have a machine that fits in tight spaces, is easy to carry, and takes up very little storage space when not in use. According to our testers, the Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe Portable Carpet Cleaner is delivered on all these specifications and more. This portable carpet cleaner works by circulating a mix of water and cleaning solution onto the affected spot on your carpet. During testing, the device completely removed the coffee stain on a light-colored, medium pile carpet with about 10 passes of the stain trapper attachment. The wine and dirt stains only left a faint hint of a stain after cleaning. The chocolate stain was the only mess that proved tough for the Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe Cleaner to tackle, though it was able to remove around 50% of the discoloration. The 15-foot power cord provides plenty of length for most tasks, as did the hose, which comes with 3 different stain tools. The tough stain tool scrubs and suctions debris out of your carpet and upholstery, while the stain trapper tool prevents pet messes and other liquid debris inside the tool instead of getting inside your machine. We also like the self-cleaning tool, which makes it easy to rinse your device after every use. About 2 hours after scrubbing, we found that the rug was only faintly damp, meaning this device doesn't dispense excess water onto your flooring. Number 2. Hoover Compact Carpet Cleaner. This portable carpet cleaner combines the stain-removing power of a water tank with the convenience of an upright vacuum cleaner. Although it's not designed to target stubborn stains in isolated areas, it's a useful everyday carpet cleaner to keep high-traffic areas clean. It's rare to get a full-sized quality carpet cleaner for less than $100, but Hoover delivers with this model. It features a special power spin pet brush roll with antimicrobial treated brushes to tackle odors, while the cleaner's heat force helps you get dry carpets fast. This cleaner is also lightweight, just 12.5 pounds, making it easy to schlep from room to room. While some carpet cleaners are behemoths, this version is also more on the petite side, making for easy storage. The Hoover Power Dash Upright Cleaner offers a lot of bang for the buck. Though compact and lightweight, the easy-to-push carpet cleaner with a half-gallon tank can cover larger spaces and make cleanup a breeze. The ability to clean larger-scale rooms makes it the best carpet cleaner for pets if you have wall-to-wall carpeting. Number 3. Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro. Having spotless carpets and upholstery while owning pets may seem like an impossible task, but the best portable carpet cleaners make it easier to keep your floors and furniture looking good as new. The Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro is our pick for the best portable cleaner for pets because it works hard on pet stains and dirt while remaining compact and easy to carry. To help tackle tricky stains and smells in your home, this machine has a tough stain tool for scrubbing and suctioning away debris like dirt, dander, and hair. We also like its stain trapper tool, which is designed to pull pet messes out of the fibers of your carpet and upholstery without sucking them into your machine. After pouring coffee, wine, dirt, and chocolate on a white carpet and leaving the stains for 12 hours, our experts found that the Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro is also effective on food stains, though it takes quite a few passes. The coffee stain came out completely, and the red wine stain faded significantly, though there was still a faint shadow. Keep in mind that this machine is one of our louder picks at around 88 decibels when running. If you're worried about a noisy machine stressing out your pets, or you simply don't like a lot of rackets when cleaning, we recommend shopping for one of the other portable carpet cleaners instead. Number 4. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. If you're frequently finding dirt or stains on your carpet, but the whole thing doesn't need shampooing, we recommend getting a portable carpet cleaner to help deal with messes right after they happen. The Rug Doctor's Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is perfect for handling spills, ground and debris, and pet messes alike thanks to its excellent cleaning features and portability. Setting this cleaner up takes less than 3 minutes out of the box, and there's no assembly required, so you can get scrubbing right away. Unlike other carpet cleaners on this list, you'll need to use a pre-treatment solution on the stain first and wait 5 minutes for it to sink in, but after that, it's smooth sailing. The portability of this cleaner makes it ideal for spot cleaning since it has wheels and a retractable handle you can release to roll the cleaner like a rolling suitcase. However, for all its benefits, this portable carpet cleaner does have a few small drawbacks that are important to note. Our testers found that the hose isn't as long as some of the other models we tested, so you may have trouble cleaning in tight corners. It's also a bit tricky to fill in the sink since you'll have to steady it with one hand to keep it from tipping. Number 5. Hoover Carpet and Amp Upholstery Pet Spot Cleaner. When spills occur inside your car, cleaning up the mess can be a tricky endeavor. Because of the tight quarters and so many hard-to-reach crevices, it's difficult to fully eliminate the mess with normal cleaning tools. Instead of dealing with a sticky, stained, or messy car, the best portable carpet cleaners allow you to get into these tight spaces and get your vehicle looking good as new. Our favorite portable carpet cleaner for cars impressed testers with its portability, ability to fight stains, and helpful attachment tools. The design of this cleaner makes it a great choice to keep handy for cleaning a car, thanks to its convenient carrying handle on top. This makes it easy to carry it in one hand and use the cleaning hose in the other. It's lightweight, and also comes with a selection of attachment tools that help in removing tough stains. The Hoover Clean Slate took a little over 5 minutes to get out of the box and set up, so you'll be able to get to work soon after unboxing. However, when our testers tried removing the water tank to clean it, they found it difficult to reinsert it into the machine. As much as possible, we recommend keeping this device intact to avoid wrestling the tank back into place. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the following video.